What's up, my lovers? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. You guys, I am in Walmart getting some stuff to make turkey burgers. I have the meat at home already, but I came to get the lettuce, the tomatoes, and I need some cheese too. And today is I would say Vlogtober day 4. So yeah, here, let's get some of these french fries. Let me see which ones am I gonna get. My little riders, I don't have no business looking at these pajamas. I have 4 bins full of pajamas, and I said I wasn't gonna buy any pajamas this year, and I didn't. And I said I wasn't gonna buy any last year, but I did. I do not need those. I do not need those. See, I am addicted to buying pajamas, you guys. Why didn't y'all stop me? Yep. Okay, you guys. Just left out of Walmart. Don't have to go back to the store for a few days. But when I get home, you guys gonna see me making my turkey burgers. Having turkey burgers with the waffle fries. And that's it, you guys. I'm gonna cook breakfast, but I'm not gonna cook breakfast on camera. I'm just gonna do that real quick and chill, and then wait till later on to cook the burgers. And then I have this edited and uploaded for you guys tomorrow. Vlogtober day 4. Yeah, we didn't have breakfast. Now we got the itis. Caught us up watching a movie after breakfast. So with that being said, I'm about to go upstairs. I'm about to make the turkey burgers. I got the sharp cheddar cheese, the shredded lettuce, the turkey, ground turkey, the bacon that's already cooked, the waffle fries, the buns, and the spicy mayo. Yeah, and I have the tomatoes for the burger. And where did I put those pickles at? Hold up, you guys. Let me get the pickles. And the pickles. I can't have a burger unless it got pickles on it. So yeah, that's all the ingredients, and I'm gonna season it with garlic powder, a little bit of seasoning salt, accent, black pepper, and that's it. I'll be back when I'm cooking them. You guys, I have to say that this burger is the best. I'm not gonna say the best because if it had a fried egg on it, it would be perfect. But it's seasoned to perfection. It's juicy. The pickles, the cheddar cheese, the grilled onions, the tomatoes, the lettuce, and bacon. Avocado and egg would have made it perfect. And then these waffle fries. Good too. I'm gonna finish eating my food and then I'm gonna edit this video. You guys will have it for Saturday, Vlogtober day 4. If you made it all the way through the video, thank you. If you made it all the way through the video, thank you so much. And if you made it all the way through and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell. And that's how you become an official low rider. I'm out.